Why does your scanner show the P2045 engine code? What does it mean? P2045 is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant temperature sensor circuit high. The P2045 engine code for Indicate Powertrain Control Module (PCM) relies on the reductant temperature sensor to monitor the temperature of the DEF inside the fluid tank or the injector lines. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: corroded or damaged wiring, failed reductant temperature sensor, defective heater assembly, loose or poor electrical connections, faulty powertrain control module (PCM). Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, Chevrolet, Volkswagen, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.